The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is February 8th, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story today is from CNBC.com. Amazon to deliver Whole Foods groceries in 2 hours for Prime users. Amazon will start delivering groceries from Whole Foods via its 2-hour Prime Now delivery service, the e-commerce giant announced Thursday. Customers in Austin, Cincinnati, Dallas, and Virginia Beach will be the first to get the service, with Amazon planning to expand the offering across the U.S. this year. Amazon Prime customers who pay a $99 yearly subscription for the service can buy thousands of items across fresh and organic produce, bakery, dairy, meat, and seafood, the company said. 2-hour delivery will be free, and a 1-hour option costs $7.99 on orders of $35 or more. The service will be available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Our second story today is also from CNBC.com. U.S. weekly jobless claims total 221,000 versus 232,000 expected. Good news or bad news? Who knows? The number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits unexpectedly fell last week, dropping to its lowest level in nearly 45 years as the labor market tightened further, bolstering expectations of faster wage growth this year. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits decreased 9,000 to a seasonally adjusted 221,000 for the week ended February 3rd, the Labor Department said on Thursday. Claims fell to 216,000 in mid-January, which was the lowest level since January 1973. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast claims rising to 232,000 in the latest week. Last week marked the 153rd straight week that claims remained below the 300,000 threshold, which is associated with the strong labor market. That is the longest such stretch since 1970, when the labor market was much smaller. Now let's talk about the top 5 things to know in the market today from investing.com. First thing is the Bank of England is expected to hold rates steady. Markets look for hike hints. The Bank of England will announce its rate decision at 7 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday. Looks like that's out already. The central bank will also publish its quarterly inflation report at the same time. Second thing to know is gold falls to a 5-week low as the dollar strengthens. Gold prices edged lower Thursday, reaching their lowest level in around a month. That's as the dollar firmed amid expectations of more U.S. interest rate hikes this year. COMEX gold futures fell to a session low of 1,311 $8.30 a troy ounce, its worst level since January 10. The third thing to note is global stocks remain jittery amid wild swings. Recent sell-off in global equities and increase in market volatility kept traders on edge Thursday, although some analysts continued to see signs that the recent downturn was nothing more than a healthy correction. The U.S. futures last pointed to a mixed open in early morning trade as they struggled to find direction around the unchanged mark. Fourth thing to note is the yuan falls the most since August 2015 after Chinese trade data. Although China's trade data painted a positive picture of the underlying strength of the world's second largest economy, with exports jumping 11.1% and imports surging 36.9% in January, the country's trade balance was hit by its skyrocketing purchase of foreign products. Volatility surged on Thursday, and according to a report from Bloomberg, the gap between onshore and offshore rates tripled compared with the same time on Wednesday. The fifth thing to know is oil prices continued to decline on record U.S. output. Oil prices remained under pressure on Thursday as traders fretted over the surge in U.S. production. Government data confirmed a day earlier that U.S. output had jumped to 10.251 million barrels per day, higher than the previous 10.044 million barrels per day record from back in 1970. The U.S. output has surged more than 20% since mid-2016, undermining OPEC's and Russia's efforts to tighten the market and prop up prices by withholding production. Now, the final story today is from investing.com. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies rise as price recovery continues. Price of digital currency Bitcoin rose on Thursday along with gains by other major cryptocurrencies as the digital currency market recovered following the price crash. Bitcoin was trading at $8,181.80 by 4:33 a.m. Eastern Time on Bitfinex exchange. The jump marked a gain of around $2,000 from Tuesday's more than 2-month lows. Even with the price recovery, Bitcoin remains down around 20% for February. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, Thursday, February 8th, 2018, your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great day.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.